Yes, and if you could please put some extra worms on that and a little bit of the maggots on there too, that would be nice, yes. Oh, hi everybody! Today is day 11 of the Bird Call Fan Art Celebration, and today's artists are Liam Prince, Quackers, and Tyler Campbell. Do we know a Tyler Campbell? Isn't he wanted in like 6 states or something? Play the art! Those were wonderful. Thanks for sending those in. Come back tomorrow for more art. Can you make sure that... Did someone eat my sandwich? Who ate my sandwich? Oh, I'm gonna give you such a pinch.